Here we unboxing Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. Are you wondering what an Aneroid Sphygmomanometer is? Sphygmomanometer Pharmaceuticals is here to explain what it is. So what is an Aneroid Sphygmomanometer? A sphygmomanometer is an instrument for measuring blood pressure. It often consists of a cuff and inflation system. At the end of the inflation tubing there is an inflation bulb and measurement apparatus such as a manometer to read measurements. An Aneroid sphygmomanometer is a manual blood pressure measuring instrument in comparison to the digital blood pressure monitors you see. You have to manually inflate and read the measurements by taking systolic and diastolic pressure. If you have any questions or concerns, then don't hesitate to comment on our video or call us at 8377935124 to connect with one of our representatives, where people can help you to understand. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share videos you think that person needs. If you want to buy a product, then contact us on a written number.